The past may block our path, but not for long. Steel awakens, blades strike, chains tear. This is raw power. This is precision. Man and machine, side by side, rewriting the forest. Every log crushed, every stump destroyed.
That's it.
Welcome to Timber Force, where nature meets domination. Let's dive in. Watching a Fendt 930 paired with an FAE mulcher is pure forestry power in motion. Add a Case 988 with its 7-disc setup to the mix, and you've got a combo built to dominate. Dense brush, stubborn stumps, all reduced to mulch in record time. Who would have thought a stump grinder could move like that, slicing through branches with surgical precision? The M&J 612 doesn't just shred wood, it breaks it down with authority. Logs go in proud and solid, and come out as nothing but dust and splinters. This machine doesn't process timber, it humbles it. Deep in the world where sweat meets steel, firewood processing turns into a battlefield. A clash of man and machine, automatic saws, twin blades, and homemade drum beasts all fighting to tame the timber. This isn't just labor, it's a saga of raw power and craftsmanship. A custom-built stump grinder with a few smart upgrades. Proof that real power doesn't always come from deep pockets. Sometimes, all it takes is skill, creativity, and a drive to build something that works. Whoa, that was a close call, no doubt about it. Just goes to show, nature doesn't play games. This proves it. Never underestimate the raw, unstoppable force of a tree. The Rayco RG80 doesn't just clear land, it dominates it. With a high-torque engine and a razor-sharp cutting head, this beast rips through the toughest stumps like they're nothing. Power, precision, unstoppable. Expect minimal ground disturbance and maximum efficiency, a true engineering marvel. Check out that root ball. Now that's a real comeback story. This tree's got serious resilience and it's ready to rock. Witness the holes earned to 1270G in action, delivering surgical precision in the heart of the forest. Powered by the H425 processor, this machine doesn't just cut, it transforms, maximizing yield, protecting the land, and pushing the limits of sustainable forestry with cutting-edge engineering. The Bell 8000 roars with 125 horses of pure power. Every cut, precise. Every strike, flawless. Firewood perfected, stump after stump. This is dominance in motion. Cylindrical milling turns rough logs into flawless cylinders, stripping away bark and sapwood with surgical precision. The result looks impressive, but beauty comes at a cost. Exposed heartwood stands vulnerable against moisture and fungal decay. That's why sealing and finishing aren't optional. They're the ultimate shield, protecting timber from nature's harshest threats.
Right? So he's putting the strap up and over, and then we just dally. For those of you who don't know what dallying means, it's just wrapping in such a way that it creates friction especially because these straps are designed to self-friction anyway. It works really well. So we want it as low down as possible because it will try to slip up, but it'll kind of self-tighten. Yeah. So instead of pulling sideways, this now pulls the root straight up. And trees are obviously not protected against upward pull. So I'm going to pass this to my husband and he's going to film it coming up while I drive.
That's it.
Forget your average pickups. These beasts are built for war. Heavy-duty trucks designed to conquer brutal terrain and crush the heaviest loads, powered by articulated frames and raw hydraulic muscle. Watch the operator in action, unhooking the trailer, shifting the bunks, and stacking each log with razor-sharp precision. Perfect balance, maximum safety, pure domination on wheels. Have you ever witnessed raw power like this? This excavator is a lumberjack on overdrive, armed with a monstrous splitter attachment. Bam! Trees fall, firewood appears in an instant. Time crushed, effort erased. That's not just smarter work, that's domination through pure machine muscle. Unloading redefined. One seamless motion, maximum productivity. Armed with versatile grippers, this beast takes on any cargo with unstoppable ease.